Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open previous windows and tabs when you open Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Firefox settings, select General in the left sidebar. On the right, under a Startup section, you will see Open Previous Windows and Tabs. You need to check this one option in case you want to open previous windows and tabs, and if you don't want to restore previous windows and tabs on Firefox browser, then you need to uncheck this one option. Once you have checked this option, open a few websites to test it and just leave it open and then close the Firefox browser and reopen the Firefox browser. It should automatically open previous windows and tabs on your PC. You can see there this is window and this one was tabs which I have opened, and after that I had closed the Firefox browser.